In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new appointment package. By the end, you'll have a polished, ready-to-sell package that clients can find and purchase with confidence. To begin, look to the left side of your dashboard and scroll down the menu. You're looking for the section labeled Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions. Go ahead and click that to open the tools specifically designed for selling services in bundles. Inside this area, navigate to the Types section. This is where different kinds of offerings are organized. Click New Appointment Packages to start building your package from scratch. You'll see a form with several fields. Think of this as the storefront information your clients will see. Start with the title. Type something clear and descriptive, like coaching session, or whatever aligns with your service. Aim for a title that makes it obvious what the client is buying. Next, make it public so it's accessible. Turning this on ensures clients can discover and purchase the package without needing a private link. Enter the price. Choose a number that reflects the value you provide and any savings compared to booking individual appointments. If you offer multiple durations or tiers, make the specific package's price straightforward and easy to understand. Add a category to keep your offerings organized. Categories help clients filter and find what they need faster, especially if you sell more than one service type. Select a file to add a picture. A clean, relevant image makes your package look professional and trustworthy. Use a high-quality image that represents your service well, such as a brand graphic or a photo that conveys the experience. Write a strong description, explain what's included, who it's for, and what outcomes clients can expect. If there are limits or policies like rescheduling guidelines, mention them briefly to set expectations. Set the expiration by entering the number of days before the package expires. This defines how long clients have to use their purchase. Choose a window that's generous but encourages timely booking. Then set the redeemable minutes. This is the total amount of appointment time included in the package. For example, if you offer multiple sessions, add up the minutes so clients know exactly what's included. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with the details, click Add Package. Your new appointment package will be created and ready for clients to buy and book. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective.